You can use this remedy on your neck 3 times a week, and the days you're not using, apply a moisturizer on your neck.
I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive deep.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rosake and Beauty. Yes, thank you so much for turning on this channel. If you are new here, you're very much welcome, and please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that each time you upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. You come and watch to make yourself look good and beautiful both in and out. And you're my return subscriber, may God bless you. Thank you so much for always coming by. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at an anti-aging remedy that is going to help you tighten and firm your neck, that is going to help you get rid of dark neck, and also help you to firm your skin, to get rid of that sagging neck have, because most of the times we take care of our face and automatically forget to take care of our neck. And this make our neck to be more darker than our face. So in this remedy, we are going to look at how to take care of our neck, to get rid of dark neck, fine lines and wrinkles around the neck. And if you are interested to know how to go about this, please don't go away. Follow me to the end. Watch this video to the end so that we are going to see how to get your neck brighter and no wrinkles and no dark spots around. So guys, all the ingredients that you're going to use for this remedy is going to help you boost your collagen production. That is going to help you tighten and firm your neck from the wrinkles, fine lines around the neck, and also around the jaw lines. So let's get started with the mixture. The first ingredient that you are going to be needing for this is your cornflour. Cornflour is going to help you get rid of irritation, going to bind your skin cells to make it more firm, and also going to help you get rid of that wrinkles around the neck. So we are going to be needing 1 teaspoon of this cornflour. I have it here. You're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of it. Yeah. And the next ingredient that we are going to be needing for this is your rice powder. You are going to be needing rice powder. Rice powder is going to help you exfoliate your skin to get rid of the dead skin cells around the neck that's causing your neck to be dark. So the rice powder is going to help you exfoliate your skin, to make your skin look brighter, to make your skin look lighter, so that the neck can be more lighter. You're going to be needing 1 teaspoon also for that. The next ingredient we are going to be needing for this is your cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is going to help you get rid of blemishes around your skin. Also helps to whiten your skin, leaving your skin looking brighter and softer. It's going to help you fade away the darkness around the neck. You are going to be needing 1 teaspoon of it, cinnamon powder. The next ingredient you are going to be needing for this is your honey. Honey is going to help you moisturize your skin, hydrate the skin, make your skin look softer, brighten your skin, and it's going to get rid of the darkness, firm your skin, and give you a brighter and softer look. So we are going to be needing 2 teaspoon padding of your honey. And the next ingredient that we are going to be needing for this, that is very important, is your banana. Banana helps to hydrate the skin. It helps to relieve the skin from itchiness. It also helps to exfoliate your skin. It also helps you to get rid of many inflammatory skin problems. So this banana, we are not going to throw this, and we are just going to be needing just a quarter of it like this. And we are going to be needing the back, the inside of the banana peel, this one. We are going to be needing this. You're not going to throw this away. This is very important. This we throw. And the next ingredient that we are going to be needing is our egg white. We are going to be needing an egg white for this. That is the main ingredient. Also, it's going to tighten and firm your skin. We need just the egg white. The yolk is not needed. So I'm going to mix this together. Keep this aside and mix all the powder together to form a paste. If you don't mind, you can use a blender to do this, but I choose to do it like this. So this is what we get after mixing it together, and we are going to add the egg yolk now. And mix again. So the neck mask is ready. You can apply. All these ingredients are amazing ingredients that helps to boost collagen production, that when you apply on your skin, it helps you to get younger and a brighter look no matter your age. So right now I'm going to apply this on my neck and leave it for 30 minutes and wash with cold water. Okay, let's get started with the applications. I'm going to apply this on my neck. And if you are also wondering if this is good for your face, yes, you can use it on your face. Apply on the jawlines. This on my skin for 30 minutes and wash with cold water. This is going to help get rid of dark lines, wrinkles, sagging neck, and give you that brighter look around the neck that we all desire. Thank you so much for tuning, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Also share the video, share and share and share. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can use this on your neck 3 times a week, and the days you're not using, apply a moisturizer cream on your neck to keep your neck hydrated, not dry.